Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Stacy Cakes tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my famous carrot cake. As many of you may know, I competed on the Big Bake on Food Network Canada, and I entered my carrot cake. This was extremely intimidating, as one of the judges was Ron Ben Israel, who is the king of carrot cake. However, I was thrilled when Ron said this.
You are truly the queen of carrot cake.
So, let's get to it. Here's a picture of all the ingredients you're going to need. I'll write out the recipe in the description of the video below. So we're going to start with our flour, and then we're going to add in our spices, which is cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. After that, we'll put in our baking powder and baking soda, and then we'll whisk all of the dry ingredients together. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to add our sugars, our eggs, our oil, and our vanilla. Then we're going to mix all of that until it's very well combined. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And we're going to make sure that we don't overmix this. You just want to mix it until everything is combined. Now that that's combined, we're going to add our pineapple. Now make sure this is very well drained. You don't want any of the juice, just the pineapples. Your grated carrots, and your pecans. Now these are really delicious if you toast them first. A very quick mix. Again, do not overmix. And that's it. Now you're going to pour it into your parchment paper lined pan, and you're going to bake at 350 degrees. Depending on the size of your pan, your times will change, but just make sure that your cake bounces back. I absolutely adore this cake. It is so delicious, and it pairs so well with a delicious cream cheese icing. I'll leave the link for the recipe for the cream cheese icing as well. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this delicious carrot cake and let me know how it goes in the comments. Happy baking!